Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to highlight the 2001 All America Selections winner, Profusion White, bred by Cicada Seeds. This is a beautiful zinnia that will only get 8 to 10 inches tall, and the spread of the plant is anywhere from 12 to 24 inches. There are only 4 plants in here, and look how much they've really filled out to take over this container. I love this plant. It's a perfect border flower in getting only 8 to 10 inches tall. And just look at all the flowers. But when you go and look for, there's one that would have to come off, flowers that would need to come off, you are really hard pressed to find them. They're about 2-inch white blooms, and they last for a really long time. I mean, it's just a beautiful zinnia, perfect for borders, again getting only 8 to 10 inches tall. But just look at all the blooms on there that are lasting, coming, and lots of buds. This is going to bloom really from late spring all the way into the fall. It's just a wonderful addition to your garden. I like growing it in a container. I have a container garden right here in the center of my garden to bring in the pollinators. It's pollinator friendly. The small bees really like it. And this is a great addition to your garden. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. Please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any ads. We just bring you great garden videos to help you in your garden. And check out the video description if you want to learn more about this plant variety and where you can pick up the seeds. Thanks for watching.